Welcome to the Loan Guy. Some of you might have seen an ad, heard an ad on the radio, or seen an ad online talking about the Loan Guy and what he can do for you. So I want to do just a short video and explain what the Loan Guy does. Basically, what the program is that we have these special credit exception vouchers that we've earned from Nissan, the bank, and because we give them so much business, they turn around and give us these exception vouchers. And what happens with these exception vouchers is that we can use that to get to a higher tier. Now, you've heard about your 550 credit score or higher, qualifying for 0%. Well, how it works is Nissan would typically approve you, say, on a tier 3 and a tier 4, but then because we send Nissan so much business, we can use one of these exception vouchers to bump you up to, say, a tier 2 or tier 3. And if you qualify at tier 2 or tier 3 with Nissan Motor Acceptance, then you get 0% for up to 60 months on a lot of new Nissans. So to give you an idea, I mean, if you were thinking about a used car, all of a sudden now a new car becomes in the game, because if you went and got a used car, say at an independent lot, low book sales, for example, they're going to charge you anywhere between 17 and 29% at a 550 mid-5s credit scores and up. And that, over a 5-year period, turns into as much as $10,000 to $15,000. So if you say, no, I'd rather not pay the bank that kind of money, I'd rather pay them 0 interest. So all of your payment then goes to principal. Now the payment on a new Nissan, say, Altima, or a new Nissan Versa that gets up to 45 miles a gallon is less than a used car. So a new car for less than a used car payment, because now you're paying 100% principal instead of having to pay any interest. Now keep in mind, if you have a higher interest rate, say 20%, more than half your payment ends up going to interest. When you're paying 0, all of it goes to principal, and so you can get a lower payment. It saves you literally up to $10,000 to $15,000. And now you also get a full factory warranty from a brand new Nissan up to 60,000 miles, 5 years. You don't have to worry about it breaking down. This is a brand new car. It's yours. It's a wonderful program. We're the only dealer in the state that has this program. And what you need to do right now is to click right up here. There's this little chat now icon. Click on it. We'll get you pre-approved out of the computer. We can do an application over the phone. There's a lot of different ways that you can go ahead and look at, taking advantage of this offer now. But it is a fantastic deal. I highly recommend trying it. If you can qualify for 0%, it used to be you had to have perfect credit to qualify for 0%. They said 0% for 60 months. Well, yeah, you had to have an 800 credit score. It was stupid. Nobody ever qualified. But not anymore. At Nissan of Orem, we can do it with as low as a 550 credit score, and you get the benefit as if you had perfect credit. So click on it right up here on the chat now, or give us a call. We'll be glad to give you more information, see how it can help you. Now, if you have a trade, say you have a trade, you owe more than it's worth, you're paying a high rate, let's trade that in and get you at 0%. Why pay interest when you don't have to? Why be in a used car when you can buy a new car and be a less payment? I'm telling you, on top of that, we have rebates that we can put on the deal. You get an excellent deal on a new Nissan. We've got basically 600 new Nissans to choose from. We've got to get rid of them. It's the end of the model year. It's a great time to buy. Please, give us a shot. We'll answer any more questions. Trade-ins are welcome. Whatever your situation is, we'll solve your problem. Thanks.